So, without wasting time, I have introduced myself as Irshad Ahmed Shah, working as assistant professor in SBBSU. We are going to start the concept, that is some basic concepts of chemistry. So, I have already told you that without knowing the basic concepts, जब हमें बेसिक कंसेप्ट क्लियर ही नहीं होंगे तब जाके हम आगे नहीं जा सकते. सो आवर टॉपिक इज सब बेसिक कंसेप्ट्स ऑफ केमिस्ट्री. इन बेसिक कंसेप्ट्स में केमिस्ट्री इज अ ब्रांच ऑफ साइंस just like physics, biology, geology, etc. This is also one branch of the science. And in this branch of science, which is chemistry, the chemistry deals with the matter, reactions with matter, what happens with the matter, and properties of the matter. Properties of matter and their measurement. How we will see what is the exact to show off what is matter and what is their measurements. So what is matter is our main concept. What is matter? Before that, we have known that matter is that which occupies space and its mass, but it is a separator. We have to study the properties of matter and their measurements. Before that, I will not come into this. You can take the screenshot of this, and I will leave just for a second, and you can take the screenshot of this, and it will be beneficial for your notes. Okay? So, dear students, we are going to start properties of matter. You have taken the okay. Properties of matter and their measurements. Chemists classify properties in two kinds or two types. You can say two types or kinds, whatever you will say. One is physical properties and second is chemical properties. What is physical properties? Physical properties are those which can be measured or observed without changing their identity or composition of the substance. Means हम मेजर कर सकते हैं और ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं और फील कर सकते हैं फिजिकल क्वांटिटी में विदाउट चेंजिंग द आइडेंटिटी और कंपोजिशन जो सबस्टेंस की है वो चेंज नहीं होगी. ठीक है? दिस इज कॉल्ड फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज. सपोज दिस इज अ पेन एंड if we can examine the physical properties, I can touch this, I can feel this, and I can measure this. This is a physical property. And second property is chemical properties. Chemical properties of matter are those which can be measured by chemical reactions. Suppose a chemical reaction happens, what is happening inside? We cannot feel them, right? Just like in the physical properties. And this is the chemical properties. Chemical property वो property होती है जिससे हम measure कर सकते हैं what is happening chemically in chemical reactions, how atoms are involved, how molecules are involved in bond formation or dissociation, whatever the process will be, in which time, how much time it takes. So there are many properties of matter which can be capable to measure the qualitative measure or quantitative or measure length, volume, area. So we can measure just like we can measure the length, we can measure the volume, we can measure the area. This is the properties of matter which we can capable to measure. We can measure it easily. If we measure the length, we can measure. If we will measure the volume, we can measure. If we will measure the area, whatever it will be there, okay? We can measure it. Such quantities are measured with fixed standard. Suppose हम यहाँ पे पहले क्या होता था कि एक जगह पे एक चीज को एक नाम दिया जाता था और दूसरे जगह पे दूसरा नाम दिया जाएगा. Suppose in India, in different countries, it will be if there is not fixed standard, then we can't, we will measure in some local region, but we cannot go for internationally. Okay, if we will measure, if we will tell land, here we will also land, and if we go inside in any country, we can talk about the land value. Okay, so these quantities can be measured by fixed standard. So fixed standard is international system of units. International system of units. What is international system of units? This is short term we will call as SI units. This SI unit system is modification of metric system. Okay, and have 7 basic units pertaining the 7 fundamental scientific quantities. So for international level, if we will tell land, it is, if we will tell here it is land, okay, but it is measured in meter. Okay, if there is no such type of this system, if there is no international standard of system. So if we will measure here in India in meters, suppose in any other country it will measure in decimals. But okay, we can measure in decimals. But for the standard, for the fundamental standard, we have to give one name. That is, the whole chemistry works on this, and they told us we have to make the standard for these units. So international system of units. What is this international system of units? If you will measure the land, you will measure here in meters. You will measure in any other country as in meters. Okay, this is called fundamental. This is called such type of system which will be obeyed in every aspects of the world. Okay, that is why the need of the international system of units takes place. तो हमें क्या करना है, जो SI यूनिट होता है वो मीट्रिक सिस्टम, पहले हम मीट्रिक सिस्टम यूज करते थे, अब उसी की वो मॉडिफिकेशन है, एंड उसमें हमने 7 बेसिक फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटीज ली है. ठीक है, तो पहला वाला जो है, यहाँ पे इस साइड मैंने ग्राफ बनाया है, लिटिल बिट टेबल बनाया है. तो पहला अगर हम देखेंगे फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज, उस क्वांटिटी का सिंबल क्या है, और नेम ऑफ एसआई यूनिट, उस नेम क्या है उसका, और उस सिंबल क्या है एसआई यूनिट का. ठीक है, तो हम पहला काम करेंगे, हम लेंथ की बात करेंगे. लेंथ जो क्वांटिटेटिव सिंबल है वो एल है, एंड एसआई यूनिट में हम ऑलवेज मेजर इसको करेंगे एज अ फंडामेंटल यूनिट्स, वी विल मेजर इन मीटर्स. ओके, it will be kilometer, but the basic and fundamental unit is meter of land. Okay, and its symbol of SI unit is m. Is this clear? Okay. Mass. After that, the 7 quantities are there, and you have to see this mass. Mass is, the symbol is m, small m, and it is measured in kilograms as SI unit, as name of SI unit. It is measured in kilograms. It is time. Time is measured. Its symbol is T, and it is measured in seconds. And the symbol of SI unit is S. The symbol of mass is kilogram, kg. And electric current, its symbol is I. It is SI unit is ampere, and it is SI unit symbol is A. Thermodynamic temperature T as quantitative symbol, but SI unit is Kelvin, and SI symbol is K, capital K. The temp and amount of substance, how much amount of substance is, it is quantitative symbol is M, and SI unit is mole, and symbol is MOL. Luminous intensity, its symbol is IV, and candela, SI unit and CD is the symbol of these SI units. Okay, but length is measured in meters as per in SI unit. I have described it. You have seen this. What is meter? Meter is the SI unit of length, and meter is the length of path traveled by light in vacuum during a time interval of 1:2999245 of seconds. This is seconds. जितने टाइम में लैंड पाथ ट्रैवल हो रही है इन ए लाइट इन वैक्यूम में, जब लैंड पास होती है ड्यूरिंग ए टाइम इंटरवल, कितने टाइम इंटरवल में 1/299799245 ऑफ सेकंड्स, इतने बहुत कम, उसको हम कहते हैं मीटर्स, इसको कहते हैं मीटर्स। अब जो किलोग्राम है एसआई यूनिट, एक किलोग्राम कितना होता है और क्या होता है? मास ऑफ इंटरनेशनल प्रोटोटाइप ऑफ किलोग्राम। व्हाट इज दिस इंटरनेशनल प्रोटोटाइप ऑफ किलोग्राम? दिस टर्म, व्हाट इज किलोग्राम? एज द एसआई यूनिट इट इज किलोग्राम, ओके, बट मास ऑफ kilogram is equal to mass of international prototype of kilogram. Before that we was using as IPK. What is this IPK? IPK is a term which was used before 130 years, 130 साल पहले हम यूज करते थे। अब ये IPK क्या है? IPK है, ये आईपीके क्या है? जो कोई भी चीज पहले हम मेजर करते थे उसको हम प्रोटोटाइप ऑफ किलोग्राम आईपीके बोलते थे। वहां पे 138 डायमीटर, 138 सेंटीमीटर इन diameter and as well as in height। कोई चीज लेते थे हम 138 जिसकी हाइट हो, उसका जो डायमीटर भी क्रॉस सेक्शन में 138 सेंटीमीटर जो उसका डायमीटर भी था और उसकी जो हाइट भी थी वो किसी चीज से बना होता था। वो किस चीज से बना होता था? वो पैलेडियम से बना होता था। किससे? पैलेडियम, याद रखना, पैलेडियम से बना था 90% एंड इरिडियम 10% उससे बना था। ये एक चीज था जो हम मेजर कर रहे थे, ये आप ऐसे समझ पाओगे आरपीके क्या होता था। व्हाट इज आरपीके? हम बोल रहे हैं मास ऑफ इंटरनेशनल प्रोटोटाइप ऑफ किलोग्राम इज किलोग्राम। ये आरपीके क्या होता था? आरपीके मींस एक चीज बना होता था, कोई चीज ये बना था पैलेडियम 90% एंड इरिडियम 10%। बस ये जो चीज था ना, इस सबस्टेंस से बना था, बट उसकी जो डायमीटर था 138 मिलीमीटर, कितना था? 138 डायमीटर इन डायमीटर एज वेल एज इन हाइट। हाइट भी इतना ही. This is called इंटरनेशनल प्रोटोटाइप ऑफ किलोग्राम. यू आर नोइंग दैट वो चीज जो पैलेडियम रेडियम से बना था और वो उस चीज की जो थिकनेस डायमीटर है twice of radius, that is 138 millimeter in diameter as well as in length as well as in height. This second, after that we will go into the fourth time जो physical quantities है उसका जो SI unit है that is second, and second is the duration of 9192631770. If you remember this will come into the need sometimes. If period of radiation transition between the two hyperlines of cesium 133. Cesium 133 hyperline जो पास होते हैं, but remember one thing, this cesium is at ground state. ये कहाँ पे है? ग्राउंड स्टेट पे जब उसकी हाइपरलाइन जो बिटवीन जो ट्रांजिशन होती है वो पीरियड जो होता है वो बहुत कम होता है 9192631770 periods of radiation between two hyperlines of cesium. But याद रखना cesium is at ground state. After that we have to know electric current जो fundamental quantities है SI unit है ampere. This is symbol as A. Ampere is the two straight parallel conductors of infinite length of negligible cross section 1 meter apart in vacuum produces the force 2 into 10 raised power 7 meter per meter. Okay, this is about the ampere. And Kelvin, what is Kelvin? जो SI यूनिट है टेम्परेचर का, थर्मोडायनामिक टेम्परेचर का, वो हम डिनोट करते हैं केल्विन से, K से. Kelvin is the thermodynamic temperature is the fraction of 1. ये रिमेंबर याद रखना, हमेशा ये याद रखना 1 divided by 273.16 triple point of water. Triple point of what is this? What is this triple point of water? Triple point of water is this where याद रखना है where water exists in all three states. तीनों के तीनों स्टेट्स में एग्जिस्ट होगा. क्यों? वाटर इन सॉलिड, इन लिक्विड, इन गैस. ओके, थ्री स्टेट्स में ये एग्जिस्ट होता है. वहां पे जो थर्मोडायनामिक टेम्परेचर जो फ्रैक्शन होता है 1 divided by 273.16 के साथ ट्रिपल पॉइंट ऑफ वाटर. अब ट्रिपल पॉइंट ऑफ वाटर क्या है? वेयर वाटर कैन एग्जिस्ट इन थ्री स्टेट्स. उसका जो टेम्परेचर होता है 0.01 डिग्री सेल्सियस, 273.16 केल्विन, 32.01 फ़ारेनहाइट. इन टेम्परेचर्स को हम बोलते हैं ट्रिपल पॉइंट. जहां पे वाटर एग्जिस्ट करता है, चाहे डिग्री में ले ले, चाहे हम केल्विन में ले ले, चाहे हम फ़ारेनहाइट में ले ले. ठीक है, दिस इज कॉल्ड केल्विन. Thermodynamic temperature is the fraction of 1 divided by 273.16 of triple point of water. Is this clear? Okay. After that, the concept of mole, it is a separate concept. Inshallah, we will go to start in next chapter, next topic. The separate concept of mole. Mole concept is a big concept. We will take as a separate. And remember here, mole is denoted by MOL and is the SI unit. And if you will also take the photograph of this whole topic, you can take. And best of luck. So I think this basic concept is little bit clear. Now we will go into the next topic. Okay, thank you.